So Jeff Bezos recently stunned the world with the announcement of Amazon Prime Air, a delivery service that will give the retail giant the ability to fly anything you want directly to your home. Someday, possibly. Charlie Rose went, wah, and the internet went, and most importantly, Santa Claus went, psh, Bezos, way ahead of you. Shortly thereafter, the bearded one challenged Bezos to a show ho 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 down. So, which delivery service is superior? Amadrone testing is still underway, with speeds estimated at a respectable 20 miles per hour. However, in order to deliver presents to every child on Earth in one night, Santa Claus travels at roughly 3,000 times the speed of sound. Advantage? Santa. There's also the matter of maximum deliverable weight. Amazon drones will carry up to 5 pounds, while Santa— you know what, I can't even finish this. Are you kidding? Just one of Santa's rosy cheeks weighs like twice that much. Advantage? Saint Nick. Furthermore, airborne delivery at any weight falls under federal regulatory purview, so future FAA laws may jeopardize Amazon's service. Meanwhile, NORAD and NASA love Santa's escapades so much that they have satellites just to make sure they don't lose track of him.
NASA, we have what appears to be an airborne, fast-moving, jolly man with 8 gorgeous reindeer.
Also, just a side note about the legal stuff, it's worth remembering that Kris Kringle is actually encouraged to enter your house while you're asleep. Advantage? Santa. I think it's fair to say that Amazon was bested by the amazing one. Whatever the case, we live in an age of wonders, but it's important to remember that the best gifts aren't delivered by Jolly or by Jeff. They're shipped directly from one heart to another, which sounds grosser than I actually meant. I just meant love. Happy holidays, DFTBA.
Here are true facts about Jennifer Lawrence. Jennifer Lawrence is an American actress who originally intended to become a doctor, which makes sense because she has done so much to mend humanity's broken hearts. She became